Hi, this is Rachel from Land and Sky Mandalas, and today I am super excited to bring you this new project. I'll show you how to make your own 8-point twist mandala stone, just like this one. For this project, I used those beautiful shimmery FOLKART color shift paints, but you can use whatever colors you'd like. For this project, you'll need dotting tools, my 8-point twist stencil, a stylus, silicone tools, and a charcoal pencil, all of which you can find in my Etsy store. I'll have the links to everything used in this video in the description box below. Okay, so I already had this stone prepped with a base coat of black chalk paint. I always use chalk paint so that the charcoal pencil shows up really nice. So here is the twist stencil. First, you want to find the center of your stone, and then you just trace the stencil onto the surface with your pencil. And what this does is it gives you a guide so that when you paint, your dots stay within the lines and they don't veer off and get all crooked and wonky. Alright, here we go. If you like to follow along, go ahead and take a look at the guides at the top right of the screen. It'll show the current tool size and paint color to use. So there goes the first dot. It's so important to get those first few dots laid down nice and even. I usually do some practice dots on paper before starting just to get the shakes out of my hand. These first couple rows are really important because mandalas are so symmetrical, it just leads your eye right to the center. So I like to take my time, not like it shows here at hyperspeed. Okay, so now I'm switching to a pointed silicone tool, and these are really fun. They make effortlessly round small dots, and they have a nice bouncy feel when you use them. I'm just dotting 5 equal sized dots directly over the top of the charcoal lines using that violet flash paint. And then I'm going to switch to the stylus for the slightly larger dots, continuing down the line. Okay, so now I'm going to switch to the purple flash paint and begin dotting the inside sections of the lines we just painted. For this part, you're going to want to paint the dots so they fit nice and tight into the space between those dotted lines we just painted. So your tool size might vary a bit from mine depending on how big your first dots are. So after the row of red flash dots, I added a touch of titanium white for each row that follows, just to finish with a pretty peach color at the end. So then after it's dry, you'll want to complete the edges and bottom of the piece. Alright, so now we add the top dots. This is one of my favorite parts. So then as a final step, once all your paint is dry, just take the stone and wash off all the remaining charcoal lines with water and then varnish. And here it is, the final piece. So cool. Hey, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun with this project and I hope you get a chance to try this out for yourself. If you like this video, please hit the like button and join me by subscribing to my channel. Also, talk back to me. If you have a suggestion, question, or request for a video, please leave a comment below. I value your comments greatly. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.